Understanding You're Top-Notch, an engaging guide to English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and expressions. Specifically, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, "you're top-notch." Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can add flair to your English communication. So, let's get started. The phrase, "you're top-notch," is a compliment. It's used to tell someone that they are exceptionally good at something or are of very high quality. The word, top, signifies the highest position or level, while notch is often associated with a level or a standard. When combined, they imply being at the highest standard or quality. It's a way of acknowledging someone's excellence in a specific area. Understanding the origins of phrases can make them easier to remember. The term, top-notch, dates back to the 19th century. It was initially used in the context of scoring or ranking, where the top notch would signify the highest score. Over time, its usage expanded to general language to indicate something or someone being of the highest standard. 1. Praise and compliments. Use this phrase when you want to praise someone's skills, achievements, or qualities. For example, after a fantastic performance, you might say, "Your singing is top-notch." 2. Formal and informal settings. This phrase is versatile. It can be used in both formal and informal contexts. In a business meeting, you might say, "Your proposal was top-notch." Or, to a friend, "Your cooking is top-notch." 3. Variations. There are variations of this phrase like top-tier, first-rate, or high-quality. They all convey a similar meaning of excellence. Let's see some examples. The service at the hotel was top-notch. I would definitely recommend it. She always delivers top-notch work. Her attention to detail is impeccable. For a top-notch experience, try the new restaurant downtown. And that's a wrap on "you're top-notch." Remember, using such phrases can make your English sound more natural and expressive. We hope this video helped clarify this interesting expression. Keep practicing, and don't forget to use "you're top-notch" in your conversations to give someone a well-deserved compliment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.